Another free airdrop that I'm going to talk with you today, the Revox airdrop, that is gonna be massive. Okay, so here is what you need to do: just simple task, but you need to do properly that task. Okay, why? Because if you do half task, or if you just do messy way, random way, that doesn't work, because there is a lot of people would be participating in this airdrop, okay, including you. So my time is including your time. So what I'm trying link here to join the so click on this connect button, the blue button. MetaMask is recommended to me. I will recommend you to participate by MetaMask, because one of the best Web3 wallet in this planet. Okay, and there is no bug fixing with this wallet, and there is a lot of customer. Okay, here is, if you noticed, yes, connected now. Click on the follow button, and maybe if you don't yet connect your Twitter, maybe it will be going through the connected phase, like authorization. So feel free to click the authorize and connect with Revox website, their airdrop page. Okay, that is well. Okay, there is no risk, there is no bug fixing maybe here. So here is my account is in locked out, sorry for that, and I'm trying to log in and connect with the Revox website. So I said I never before participate in this airdrop. It is my first time I'm participating through this video recording with you. Okay, so click on this authorize apps, and my account would be connected this account. Okay, however, until connect, I'm gonna say something to you, that in the airdrop field, no matter how much stay have you been in this field, doesn't matter, you should be consistent and persistence, and like there is like a lot of positive word that I see. Okay, so anyhow, our work is ongoing, and I'm inside of my room, and everything is off, window, door, and I'm trying to join by my mobile data, therefore it is doing problem. So if I do again the follow button, let me see what happened. Again the pop-up same page, and here is this browser I'm using actually for executing this airdrop. Okay, I'm expecting that now it will work. So it is loading. Anyhow, click on this authorize, because first you should connect your Twitter account with Revox website. Okay, and this is the first work that you need to do. Anyhow, I'm inside of my room. I already said, as you know, therefore it is doing problem. Okay, completed. Thank you for doing that internet. So click on this confirm. It is invite code that I taken from randomly, but it is not my invite code. I will change if I get my invite. Okay, so anyhow, here is maybe invite is necessary if you don't want to be invited. So please skip this task. So maybe it is not skippable, you need to do that. Right, click on this confirm, no matter, because somebody give you this offer, they have something to get you from you. Okay, so little bit of invite, they nothing cost you, they nothing take from you. Okay, so click on this continue button, and what is your task here? So if we push. There we read, on our Telegram, and here is what they say, that correct, go with these thing. So never be complex here. We will go through our reading article, and nobody fuck me here. Okay, so and nothing wasting time here. So this video is correct for not as if time wasting. Okay, so let's say I will go through the Polygon network. So click on this go button. Maybe MetaMask get notified. So I don't know, because I never before participated. I'm participating with you, and let me see. Red Xlayer pushed. Okay, so if I click on this on and click on this red, and yeah, it is like working. So never click on the right option, click on the first, anywhere. Okay, it doesn't matter, and do every day, and just add point every day. I will recommend you notice that point is adding. Okay, so anyhow, let me see what happened, because I never before participating in this airdrop. Okay, so curate is processing. Anyhow, until let me wait here, because it is taking time and I'm using in mobile data. Very soon I will get laptop, okay, and I will create quality video about the Airdrop type of thing. And I like to join by mobile phone because I have been using this phone nearly 2 years. Okay, so let me see what happened here. Until wait here a few minutes. I would suggest you, my mobile phone charge has been gone 2%. You are noticing. So if I click on this back button, it is not.
For screen record problem, I am not able to show you further. Tutorial. If you do on your own, do, or contact with me.